Good morning, Penny.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Great.
Tell me something. What are we doing here dressed with this crazy harness?
We're gonna tandem skydive today.
Skydiving, and what's a special occasion?
My son's birthday, actually. He turned 18.
So you're the one to blame for this?
Yes.
I love it. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Ready to do this?
Ready to do it.
Awesome. Who else we got here?
This is my nephew David.
David, ready to do this as well?
My other nephew Dylan.
Yeah.
Mr. Dylan in the house. Yeah. And who we got here?
My husband Eric.
Hello, Eric.
I'm over the weight limit, so they won't let me go.
Well, then maybe next time. Let's see. Okay, Penny. Anybody you're looking forward the most? That jump into the free fall, itself, landing safely.
The free fall.
The free fall.
That's my favorite.
We'll have to check on that after landing
Yeah.
then. Well, Penny, welcome to Skydive DeLand. Have a great jump. I'll see you out there.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. All right.
Yeah, keep walking. To the blue tent. Yeah, guys. Here we go. Penny, let's do it. Penny! Yeah, let me take a picture of this moment. It's a Kodak moment. Can I give you a hand up?
The ugly moment.
No, that's embracing what just happened, Penny. You did fantastic. Happy birthday. Yes, look over here, guys. Look over here for a picture. Awesome. Happy birthday and thank you, Penny.